how to use Yelp Collection. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Yelp Collection in the Yelp app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Yelp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the collection icon which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the collection section, you can simply tap on create button which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, you can give it a name. And here, once you're done giving it a name, you can just tap on create. And now here, once you have created the collection, to add a business to your collection, you can simply search for the businesses and open its page. And once you have opened it, you can just tap the bookmark icon and choose an existing collection or tap on create new collection. And here to view or edit a collection, you can just return to the collection tab, and here you can just tap the collection and view the saved businesses and tap edit to remove or rename the item. And that's it. That's how you can use the Yelp collection. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.